Hello guys, I'm Kartika from numbercrunchies. I'm going to tell you more about financial modeling today. Financial modeling is a tool in Microsoft Excel which is used to analyze the historical financial data of a company. The three vital components of a financial model include the income statement, balance sheet, and a cash flow statement. Financial modeling is an art which requires more practice. It involves more complexities and it has to be dealt with, uh, and it can be done only upon practice. So, Elearnmarkets provides you with a financial modeling course which is worth 999 and it is completely free for you, and you have to use the code FINWIN on checkout to avail the course free for you. So thank you. Keep following me on Twitter. Bye bye.